Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about Illinois Stalking No Contact Orders. We're going to talk about what they are, how they differ from orders of protection, who can obtain one, what the definition of stalking is in Illinois, and some of the remedies that courts can order if you get a Stalking No Contact Order. So anyway, Stalking No Contact Orders are basically created to be available for people who are not eligible for an order of protection pursuant to the Illinois Domestic Violence Act, but who are the victim of stalking. So an order of protection is basically only available if you are abused at the hands of a family or household member. The definition of abuse is very broad. The definition of family or household member is also very broad. But not everybody fits into that definition, and there could be people that are in danger or have fear for their lives or well-being because they're the victim of stalking and not qualify for an order of protection because they're basically meant to be between family or household members. So orders of protection differ from Stalking No Contact Orders in that they offer a wider range of remedies than a Stalking No Contact Order. So you can get exclusive possession of a shared residence through an order of protection, or apportion parenting time and responsibility, or child support and maintenance resolution of those sorts of issues through an order of protection. You can't do that through a Stalking No Contact Order. So because of the more teeth that an order of protection has, if you are eligible for an order of protection, that's what you should pursue. Stalking No Contact Orders are basically fallbacks for people who are not eligible for orders of protection. Let's talk about who can obtain a Stalking No Contact Order. In order to obtain a Stalking No Contact Order, first you have to be ineligible for an order of protection, and two, you have to be the victim of stalking behavior, and we'll talk just in a minute about what stalking behavior is. You can also file a petition for a Stalking No Contact Order on behalf of a minor child or on behalf of an adult who can't file the petition due to age, disability, health, or inaccessibility. So let's talk about the definition of stalking. To be defined as stalking, the respondent must have engaged in a course of conduct as opposed to a single act. So that means even though some of these things are very creepy, they have to have done them more than one time in order to qualify as stalking and make you eligible for a Stalking No Contact Order. A course of conduct is defined as two or more actions that may include but are not limited to following, monitoring, surveilling, threatening, damaging property, appearing at the petitioner's home, school, or workplace, making unwanted phone calls, sending unwanted texts or emails, or leaving objects for the petitioner. The actions can be direct or they can be indirect. So even if they were, someone does these things through a third party or has their friend harass you, that can still constitute a stalking action. So if you are ineligible for an order of protection and someone is engaging in a course of conduct that would qualify as stalking, you can get a Stalking No Contact Order, and Illinois courts can issue a variety of remedies for those. One is prohibiting future stalking by the respondent. That's pretty basic. They can require that the respondent stay a specific distance away from the protected party, require that the respondent stay a specific distance away from the protected party's work, school, or other specific location, restrict the respondent's access to firearms, or order any injunctive relief that the court finds necessary to protect the people that are supposed to be protected by the Stalking No Contact Order. So once the Stalking No Contact Order is entered, if the respondent in the case violates that Stalking No Contact Order, what are the penalties? The first time is a Class A misdemeanor. Second times are Class 4. Second or subsequent violations are Class 4 felonies. They can also be an independent criminal charge of stalking or aggravated stalking. So it's a big deal if you violate one of these. Again, we have a whole bunch of articles and videos about orders of protection, which are very similar to Stalking No Contact Orders. So if you want to flesh out some issues that they have questions about, a lot of those may apply. You can find those at learn-about-law.com. Thanks so much for listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.